Ewan is the 1998 world champion in the 500cc class.
This is my dream for all my life. It's fantastic.
The 1999 world champion is Alex Crivier.
Rossi takes the victory, Rossi takes the world title.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2006 MotoGP World Champion, Nicky Hayden. Casey Stoner wins the Australian Grand Prix and is crowned the 2011 World Champion.
The new world champion in MotoGP in 2013 is the rookie Marc Marquez. He's done it.
All the Repsol Honda team did amazing job.